Hi everyone, welcome to Zahid Math. Do you like my content? If so, please hit subscribe button and tap the bell icon for updates. Today we'll be tackling the questions from exercise 2.4. I'll break it down step by step for easy understanding. Make sure to take down the key points. Let's start exercise 2.4. Right. What's the first question? Which is question number 11. Limit x tends to infinity 5x square minus 3x plus 1 over 2x square plus 4x minus 7. Right. What about the limits? Limit x tends to infinity. If this is a situation, you need to divide the numerator. I just write numerator as nr. Numerator nr means up. Okay. And the denominator I write it as dr. It means down. Okay. Right. They divide the numerator and denominator by its maximum power, you can say, or you can say highest power, or you can say a single word degree. Okay, right. So divide by the maximum power, or you can say highest power. Okay, right. So let's go to this question. What is the highest power here? X square. And what is the highest power here? X square. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide it by the highest power. Okay, right. 5x square minus 3x plus 1 over, okay, 2x square plus 4x minus 7, right? So I'm going to divide it by the highest power. So divide by x square, divide by x square, divide by x square. And divide by x square, divide by x square, divide by x square. Okay. Why I'm dividing? I'm going to use the famous value, which is 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Keep in your mind. Okay. Right. Yes, what happens to this step? The step now it becomes x square cancels. 1x cancel with this x square. So it will be 5 minus 3 divided by x. And this is plus 1 divided by x square over. And x square cancels. It's 2 plus 1x cancel with this x square. So it's 4 divided by x minus 7 divided by x square. Right? So in this step, we are going to put limit x tends to what? Infinity. When x goes to infinity, infinity will come here, infinity will come here, infinity will come here, and infinity will come here. So actually infinity is in the down, infinity is so this becomes what? 0. This becomes what? 0. This becomes what? 0. This becomes what? 0. So which is equal to, the answer is what? 5 divided by 2. Okay, this is the limit of the function. Let's go to the next question, right? Again, the same type of question, which is limit x tends to infinity, right? Yes. Now look at the equation. Limit x tends to infinity 2x square minus 5 over 3x power 4 plus x plus 2. Okay. Here, if you see the numerator, the highest power is what? X square. The denominator is what? Highest power x power 4. So actually you have to divide the numerator by x square and the denominator you have to divide by x power 4. But doesn't matter, you can divide by the highest power. So this equals limit x tends to infinity. So 2x square divided by x power 4 minus 5 divided by x power 4 divided by 3x power 4 divided by x power 4 plus x divided by x power 4 plus 2 divided by x power 4. Okay, right. Now what happens to the steps? Right. Now x square cancel with this, so we'll get 2. Here no cancellation. X power 4 gets cancelled. Here 1x gets cancelled with this 4, you'll get 3, and here no cancellation. Right. So this equals limit x tends to infinity. Right. Yes. So this equals here 2 divided by x square minus 5 divided by x power 4 and divided by 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 plus 2 divided by x power 4. As x goes to infinity, what happens to the step? Here you'll get infinity, here you'll get infinity, here you'll get infinity, here you'll get infinity. So 1 by infinity is what? 0, and this is 0, and this is going to become 0, and this is going to become 0, right? So what happens now? Which is 0 and then minus 0, right? 0 minus 0 divided by 3 plus 0 plus 0. So which is going to become 0 divided by 3, which is equal to what? 0. Let's go to the next question. Right. Find the limit. Okay. Yes. So limits x tends to infinity, right? 3x power 4 plus x plus 1 over x square minus 5. The same situation. The highest power is x power 4 here and the highest power is x square. Do I need to divide by the numerator x power 4 and the denominator x square? No problem. Doesn't matter. You can divide by the highest power, which is x power 4. So this equals limit x tends to infinity 3x power 4 divided by x power 4 plus x divided by x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. So which is divided by x square by x power 4 minus 5 divided by x power 4. So this equals, the simplification gives, right? Here x power 4 gets cancels, right? Okay, right. So now what happens now? This x gets cancelled with this 4, we are going to get 3, right? X square gets cancelled with this 4, so we are going to get 2. And so what happens finally? We are going to get limits infinity, you are going to apply. So when I put infinity, so I'll write one more step and then I'll go for infinite substitution. Limit x tends to infinity, you will get 3 and then plus 1 divided by x cube and then plus 1 divided by x power 4 over 1 divided by x square minus 5 divided by x power 4. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put infinity, right? So when I put infinity, this will be infinity, this will be infinity, this will be infinity, this will be infinity. So this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and this becomes 0, and this becomes 0. So this is going to become, right? This is going to become, right? So 3 plus 0 divided by 0 minus 0, which is equal to 3 by 0, and the value is going to become what? Infinity. So answer for this question is infinity. Let's go to the next topic. Therefore, that's all, the infinity substitution is over. Now we are going for the next topic, which is asymptotes. Asymptotes you already studied in 001. Okay, right? There are two types of asymptotes. One is vertical asymptotes and horizontal asymptotes. Vertical asymptotes, I'm not going to give you the definition or explanation. I'm just going to tell you how to find the vertical asymptotes. So just make the denominator equal to 0. What do you mean by denominator equal to 0? Suppose you have 5 divided by 4x minus 1. Okay. So what's your denominator? Which is the down one, right? So 4x minus 1 equal to 0, you're going to write. And then what did they say? Find the x value. So 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to what? 1 by 4. So this is called vertical asymptote. It should be real values. Remember, real values means what? Real values means there is no I. It means what? No I. Remember, no I. Plus I or minus I, whatever it is, or the combinations of I. So all are real values. Next, horizontal asymptotes. For horizontal asymptotes, we have three rules. One is degree of the numerator less than degree of denominator. What do you mean by degree? Degree means highest power. Degree means what? Highest power. It means big power. Okay. Degree means highest power. So degree of numerator less than the degree of denominator. If this situation comes, you just write whatever may be the problem. Just write y equal to 0 is the horizontal asymptote. Similarly, if the degree of the numerator is more than the degree of denominator, without depending on any expressions in the equation, just write the answer no. Just one single word, that's enough. No, it means no horizontal asymptotes. Okay, right. If the numerator degree, right, is equal to the denominator degree, then what you need to do, there is a rule. What is that? Y is equal to leading coefficient in the numerator. What do you mean by leading coefficient? the leader coefficient. In Arabic, coefficient means mu'amil. Okay, right. Leading coefficient in the numerator divided by, this is divided by leading coefficient in the denominator. That is the horizontal asymptote. While I am doing the problem, I will explain. Okay, let's go to the question. Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes for the graph. Okay, I just write vertical asymptote as V and horizontal asymptotes I write it as HA. VA and HA. Okay, right. I'm going to find VA here. Okay, and I'm going to find HA here. Okay, this is vertical asymptotes and here horizontal asymptotes. So for finding vertical asymptotes, what is the rule? I said make the denominator is equal to 0. What do you mean by denominator? This is your denominator. So x power 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? So this is a quadratic equation. You go to the calculator. You know already it's mode 5 and then 3. So let me start. It is mode 5 and then 3. Right? When you press 3, automatically the calculator will ask A, B, C. Right? A, B, C. A means coefficient of x square. That is in Arabic mu'amal x square. B means coefficient of x. It means mu'amal x. C means number, rakam. Okay, right. So A, coefficient of x square is what? 1. Is there any x here? No. So I'm going to put 0. After that, I'm going to put minus 4 in the calculator. So let me start. 1, 0, right? And then minus 4. Yes. If I press this one, again equal, I get two values. X1 is equal to 2, right? And x2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, let me move a little bit. X2 is equal to minus 2, right? So therefore, the vertical asymptotes are x equals 2 comma minus 2. Clear? Right. Let's go for horizontal asymptote. For horizontal asymptote, you have to see the degree of numerator, right? And you have to see the degree of denominator. What did I say degree? Degree means highest power. Degree means what? Big power, or you can say highest power. Okay. Degree of numerator. Look at the numerator here. It's just 1. 1 means what? X power 0. 1 means what? X power 0. Suppose you have 5. That means what? 5 times x power 0. Again, degree of numerator is what? 0. What is the degree of the denominator? Degree of the denominator is you just see x square. So it means degree means what? Highest power is 2. So now the question is this equal or is this less or is this more? 0 is less than 2. It is less. Okay, right. So if it is less, go to the rule. Look at here. This is the rule for less. So what you are going to write? Just write y equal to 0. So I'm going to write the horizontal asymptote is y equal to 0. Clear everybody? Right. Let's go to the next question. Right. Question number 29. Find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes for this one. So let me write VA and I will write HA. Vertical and horizontal asymptotes. What is the rule I gave for vertical asymptotes? Make the denominator is equal to 0. What is your denominator? X square plus 1 equal to 0. Right? Yes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give in the calculator. So let me start the calculator. This is your A, mode 5, 3, A, B and C. Okay. A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1. So when I start pressing the calculator 1, 0 and plus 1, I got x is equal to I and x is equal to minus I. Is it a real value? I and minus I? No, it's a complex value. I told you already, vertical asymptotes are real values. So it is not real. Okay, it is complex. So therefore the answer is no vertical asymptotes. Okay, right. Let's go to the horizontal asymptotes. Okay, right. So let's start the degree of numerator. Degree of numerator is what? Here it is 2x square. So see the x square power 2. and the degree of denominator is equal to what? Degree of denominator is x square, which is also equal to 2. So from this, what is information? They are equal. They are what? Equal. If they are equal, what is the rule? The rule is y is equal to leading. Leading means leader. Leading coefficient in the numerator, okay, divided by leading coefficient in the denominator. Leading means leader, okay, yeah, right. The leader means big man, okay, right. So who is the leader here in the numerator? X square. So what is its coefficient? Which is 2. Look here, this is 2x square. This is the biggest leader. So what is the coefficient? 2 divided by leading coefficient in the denominator. Who is the leader here? X square, right? And what is its coefficient? It is 1. So 2 divided by 1. So it implies y is equal to what? 2 is the horizontal asymptote. Okay, right. So that's all for today's class. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Have questions or feedback, share them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye bye.